Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. A, B, C, D, E are five integers that A plus B equal B plus C equal C plus D equal D plus E equal 2012 and A plus B plus C plus D plus E equal 5024. Do you know? Find the value does this minus A. If you know, please do it. When you do it all this, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, to find the values of these minus A, we must find the value of D and the values of A. And so now we have this. Okay, now use this solution that we have from A plus B equal B plus C. So if we simplify it, we get A equals C. And this B plus C equals C plus D. And then we simplify this, we get B is equal this. And this C plus D equal D plus E. Okay, C plus D equal this plus E. And so we get this simplified it, we get C equal E. Okay, now this, we know it's so that we get the S plus B plus C plus D plus E equal 5024. Okay, notice S and plus this, B and plus this. We see it. C equal A, and I replace it by A, and plus this, D is equal B. Okay, I replace it by B, and plus E equal C, and C equal A. So we get E equal A. So this we replace by A equal the 5022. Okay, so now this we see it's A and the B. So now this we get two B's and this two A's and plus this plus A equal 5024. And then this I take 2 out of factor, you get A plus B plus A equal 5024. And this A plus B, we see it, A plus B equal 2012. So now we replace by 2012, we get 2 and multiply 2012 and plus A equal 5024. And then this we get 4024 plus A equal 5024. And we get A is equal 5024 and minus this 4024 and is equal 1000. Okay, now we get is that we know that. So A plus B equal 2012. We get B equal 2012 and minus a and equal 2012 and minus, okay, 1000. Okay, now this is equal 1012, and then we get, okay, is, sorry, this minus a equal, we know that d equal b and then b equal 1012, we get 1012 and minus a equal 1000, and now is equal 12. Okay, this is our solution. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.